Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up recurring payments in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a recurring vendor bill template that automatically creates bills on your schedule, helping you stay on top of ongoing expenses like rent, utilities, or subscriptions. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to the main workspace. On the left navigation panel, hover your mouse over Expenses to reveal more options. Select Bills to open the Bills dashboard, where you'll see any existing bills and the tools to add new ones. In the top right corner, choose the Add Bill option. Then from the drop-down, select Create Recurring Bill. This opens the recurring bill template. Recurring templates save you time by pre-filling the details you set here and generating new bills automatically, based on the schedule and start date you choose. Begin with the vendor field. Click into the vendor drop-down and pick the supplier you pay regularly. If this vendor isn't in your list yet, you can add them first so your records stay consistent. But for now, select the correct existing vendor to keep everything linked. Next, set the start date. This tells QuickBooks when to create the first bill from this template. If you want the bill to appear in the future, choose that date. If you need it to start right away, select Today. Keep in mind the start date works with your schedule settings to time each new bill. Choose the terms that match your agreement with the vendor, such as net 15 or net 30. This drives the bill's due date and helps your accounts payable aging stay accurate. In the Category Details section, select the appropriate expense account for this cost, like utilities, rent, or software. Accurate categorization keeps your profit and loss reports meaningful. You can add a description to clarify what the charge covers, which is helpful during reviews or audits. Enter the amount for this recurring bill. If the amount is the same each period, put in the fixed figure. If it varies, consider entering an expected amount now and plan to adjust individual bills as they generate. If this expense is billable to a client, use the customer field to associate it. Otherwise, you can leave this blank. This step is optional but valuable when you need to pass costs through. When everything looks right, click Save Template. QuickBooks will now create bills for this vendor on your defined cadence using the details you set. After saving, keep an eye on the first 1 or 2 generated bills to confirm timing, amounts, and categories match your expectations. That's it. Your recurring vendor payments process is now streamlined in QuickBooks Online.